Hi guys, if you're here, that means you got that last word problem wrong, so we're going to work it out together. So I wrote it out on my paper. If you want to pause the video and write it out so you can take some notes as we work this out, you're more than welcome to. So Nemo is below the surface of the ocean at 13 feet. He ascends 11 feet before descending 16 feet. How far below the ocean is Nemo now? Now there's some choice words that if you don't know what they mean, that's probably why you got this problem wrong. So you have this word ascending, and then you also have this word descending. Now, ascending means you're going up. And descending means you're going down. So they like to throw these words at you at STAR, so please make sure that you know what ascending and descending means. Descending, you can remember the D stands for down, and the opposite of descending is ascending, which is going up. Next thing I would do is go, okay, you could draw a picture with this to help you. So Nemo, he's below the surface of the ocean at 13 feet. So he's below at 13 feet. Now, the word below is a very important word because that represents a negative number. So that 13 is negative 13 feet. Then he ascends 11 feet, so Nemo goes back up 11 feet. And since ascend means going up, that means that 11 is a positive 11. And then Nemo decides, well, I'm going to swim back down, or I'm going to descend 16 feet. And since descending means going down, it's negative 16. So he's all the way down, then he goes up, and then he goes down again. So that means what we're going to have to do is take negative 13 and add it to 11. And then you got to follow your rules from the previous video or your notes. So you need to ask yourselves, are these signs the same or different? You got a negative and a positive, so they're different. So that means we need to subtract. So I'm going to do 13 minus 11, 2 and 0. So Nemo's at 2 feet, but I have to keep the sign of the larger number, and it's 13. So Nemo is negative 2 feet below the surface. But then Nemo swims back down, so we need to take that negative 2 and minus a negative 16 and bring them together. So now you have negative 2 minus 16. This is subtracting integers, so that means we need to do keep, change, change. We're going to keep that negative 2, change that negative sign to a positive sign, and change that 16 to a negative 16. My signs are the same now, so I'm going to do negative 2. Well, negative 2 and 16. We're just going to add them together. That's going to get me 18. And then we're going to keep the sign. They're both negative, so my answer's negative 18. So that means Nemo is negative 8 feet below the surface. Try the next problem. It's a little different, but same kind of steps.